Tired of missing out on your favorite live sports and exclusive content? Let's dive into how to watch ESPN online, no matter where you are. First, the crucial part: you'll need an ESPN subscription. Head over to ESPN and sign up for a monthly or annual plan. Make sure you create an account and keep your login information handy. ESPN isn't free with your regular cable subscription. It's a standalone streaming service. Next, confirm you have a compatible device. ESPN works on a huge range of devices, including smartphones and tablets running iOS or Android, computers through your web browser, streaming devices like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. Now, for your chosen device, download the ESPN app from your device's App Store, whether that's the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Roku Channel Store, etc. Once downloaded, open the app. Inside the ESPN app, locate the settings or profile icon. Usually in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen, select the login option and enter the username and password you used when you signed up for ESPN. Once logged in, you'll be able to browse the vast library of content offered on ESPN, including live games, exclusive shows, documentaries, and on-demand replays. Just select what you want to watch, and you're all set. Keep in mind, ESPN is primarily available in the United States. If you're traveling abroad, access might be restricted. You may need to explore VPN options to bypass regional restrictions, but please check ESPN's terms of service and local laws. And that's it. Now you know how to access ESPN online. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful streaming tips and tricks. Enjoy the game.